Yo, what's up everyone, it's Aman and let's talk about the future, specifically how to make money in it. Forget the side hustles you've heard about before, we're diving into the world of AI. Yeah, you heard that right, using AI tools to boost your income. Whether you're a freelancer juggling gigs, a content creator grinding for views, or an aspiring entrepreneur, listen up. AI isn't just some futuristic fantasy. It's here, it's now, and it's ready to help you level up your earnings game. In this video, I'm breaking down the top 5 AI tools that can help you stack some serious cash by 2025. We're talking about game changers that can automate tasks, boost your creativity, and ultimately free up your time so you can focus on what matters, growing your bank account. So buckle up, smash that like button, and let's get into it. First up, we've got ChatGPT by OpenAI. Now you might have heard about this one, and for good reason. It's like having a super-powered writing assistant available 24/7. Think about it. Need to pump out engaging blog posts or articles? ChatGPT. Want to automate your customer service with a chatbot that actually understands and responds intelligently? ChatGPT. How about developing chatbots for businesses looking to streamline their operations? You guessed it, ChatGPT. The possibilities here are seriously next level, and the best part is, you don't need to be a coding whiz to figure it out. OpenAI has made ChatGPT surprisingly user-friendly, so you can focus on what matters, creating content, engaging your audience, and ultimately, making that money. Next, we're jumping into the world of video with Pictory.ai. Now we all know that video is king, but editing? That can be a time-consuming beast. That's where Pictory.ai swoops in to save the day. This tool lets you create stunning videos for literally anything. Social media posts, marketing campaigns, client projects, you name it. And the best part is, you don't need to be a video editing pro to use it. Pictory.ai's intuitive interface makes it easy to create professional-looking videos in minutes. And with its powerful AI features, you can automatically transcribe and edit your videos, add captions, and even create different versions for different platforms. Talk about a game changer for anyone looking to level up their video content game. Let's be real, not all of us are design gurus. But that doesn't mean you can't create stunning graphics that make your brand pop. That's where Canva with Magic Design comes in. You probably already know about Canva. It's a lifesaver. But with Magic Design, it's like having a personal design assistant on speed dial. Seriously, you just tell it what you want. A logo, a social media post, a flyer. And boom, it generates multiple design options. Pick your favorite, customize it to your liking, and you're good to go. This is a game changer for entrepreneurs and freelancers who need high-quality graphics without the high price tag of a professional designer. Okay, let's talk websites. In 2025, if you don't have an online presence, do you even exist? Durable.co gets that. This tool helps you build and manage websites with a level of ease that would make even the most tech-challenged person feel like a coding ninja. We're talking drag-and-drop functionality, customizable templates, the whole 9 yards. Imagine being able to whip up a professional-looking website for a client in an afternoon, or finally launching that online business you've been dreaming of. Durable.co makes it all possible, without you having to pull your hair out over code. It's like having a website-building superhero in your corner, ready to help you conquer the digital world. Last but not least, we have 11 Labs, and let me tell you, this one is seriously cool. Imagine being able to create realistic, human-sounding voiceovers without having to hire a voice actor. That's exactly what 11 Labs brings to the table. We're talking high-quality AI voice synthesis that can be used for anything from YouTube videos and podcasts to audiobooks and even video games. And the detail? Mind-blowing. You can choose from a library of pre-made voices or create your own custom voice that perfectly fits your brand. This is a total game changer for content creators, educators, and anyone else who needs to add a professional voiceover without breaking the bank. So there you have it, folks. 5 AI tools that are not just changing the game, they're rewriting the rulebook entirely. And the best part is, they're all accessible right now. Whether you're just starting out or you're a seasoned pro, incorporating these AI tools into your workflow can seriously boost your productivity, creativity, and most importantly, your earning potential. So, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and bell icon so you don't miss out on more videos like this one, because we're just scratching the surface of what AI can do. Trust me, you don't want to miss what's next. Catch you in the next one.